how to sign up for Amazon affiliate program. So, hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you and show you how you will be able to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program where you can promote all kinds of products from Amazon such as all the types or different categories. I believe you will be able to select what type of category you wish to be able to promote. But upon successful promotion of a specific product, if that product sold under the affiliate link given to you, you will be able to receive a percentage or a portion of that sale. And later on, I'm also going to talk about the different platforms that you could try to promote your affiliate link to and discuss how you could better promote your different items. So, first things first, simply search in your search bar Amazon affiliate program. Over here, you might see that there is this Amazon Associates. The URL is affiliate/program.amazon.com. Don't get confused if there is another link on the top, because sometimes there will be another link at the top and it's not going to be the link that you're looking for. So make sure that you look for the Associate Central over here. And this is what it's going to look like, as you can see. Let's explore it a bit before we start the process. As you can see here, this is where it explains the Amazon affiliate program, where it is one of the largest affiliate marketing programs in the world. All we need to do is to sign up, whether we're creators, publishers, bloggers who are earning, or like who has an audience. So that's a very important thing. We are able to share millions of products with the audience. We will have a customized link, like I mentioned earlier. If we were able to successfully sell a product with the link provided to us, we will be able to get a portion from that, which is really great. This is very important or very useful for people who have audience already, who are social media, who are bloggers, publishers, who has their own social media platforms, whether it's YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. It's going to be a very useful tool, which will help you get as much sales as possible. And over here, as you can see, you will be able to get up to 10%. So if someone bought, let's say, a $50 item, you will be able to get at least $5 out of that one sale. And it depends on the contract, but that 10% I think is a maximum, but it can go lower, of course. It depends on the uh, contract out of that. And there are multiple types of affiliate program, which I think we will be able to explore in a bit. So anyway, let's click on sign up or log in if you already have an account. And this is what you're going to see. There are multiple steps over here that you will be able to check out. As you can see, the first step is entering our account information. The next is website and mobile app list, profile, and then start using Associate Central. So what are the things that you need to put in first? Also, there's an instruction here, like a requirement that we need to have or that are necessary to be correct and complete, such as confirm the correct address for the person that you will be sending the money to. Of course, you have to have a proper payment portal or like a proper payment system. There's also different methods of payments over here that would be sent to you, whether it's gift cards, check, or direct deposits as well. So over here, as you can see, first enter your payee name or payee name. Enter the name exactly as it should appear on the check. So would put in your name. So let's say these are over here. This has to be your actual name because, of course, if the check is to be emailed to an individual, enter the name of the recipient in address one. So over here. So if this is an individual, you could put it over here under the address one. The address two, three are like optional. But over here, we have a city. So simply input the city that you're in. So let's say Manila, state of province. I think it's only limited to specific areas. So let's say, I don't know, let's go with Kentucky, I guess. What is the city of Kentucky? Since I don't know. Okay, so let's pick one of this. So let's say Louisville. Here we go. Zip off. Now let's simply search zip off There we go. So these are like codes. So 40018. This is just for the purpose of filling out the information. And then for the phone number, I'm not sure for the phone number. Who is the main contact for this account, the payee, or you could also have someone else available for this one. So let's say phone numbers. So this one is 502. I guess let's just put in a random number for now. 502 502 417. Let's try that if that's going to accept it. Over here, address one. I'm not sure address one. So let's give it a minute. Okay, now after that, after entering the information, your account information, you're then going to input your websites and mobile apps. These are very important because this is going to allow them to identify whether you are an eligible person to promote. You need to have at least one website or mobile app that you could promote their website to. So maybe you could add your blogs over here, your social media platforms. So let's say maybe this one, let's try adding this. You could add that. As you can see, it will be added there. As you can see, so add all the stuff that you have, all the websites that you have. You could add that just like that. It is very important to be as contentful as possible. This will allow them to verify or like have or give you a better chance to accept you because you are a person who has a lot of social media following, a lot of audience. So you will be able to properly be able to promote different types of products in Amazon. And after that, as you can see, are any of these traffic sources listed above primary really at children under 13, not eligible? So let's say no, confirm. And then over here, you're then going to now enter your profile information. As you can see, you're going to enter your preferred associate store ID. Tell us about the content that you create. You could say blog, you could say videos, you could say any type of content that you create. Depends on the type of following or the type of social media platform that you have. Of course, there's different types of content that you will be able to have. So let's say fashion, let's say scars. You could talk about all kinds of those things. Then you could enter the best, what best describes your content. You could select them over here. You could select where you heard about them and many, many more. And after that, you can now start using the Associate Central. Now, the process could be tedious, but after that, you will be able to just simply wait and be able to successfully, of course, be able to have your Amazon or like have your affiliate marketing, affiliate a program with Amazon. And then you could now use platforms such as Canva over here to create your different postings, help you create your videos, or if you're lacking some platforms, you could even use Pinterest over here to help you promote. You could use Instagram, you could use popular platforms such as TikTok to promote your different content and take advantage of the tools that are going to be available for you. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.